so let's move this camera down. Looking for an amazing place to hang out for Pixel Masteries. Pixel Palace is perfect for jammers who want to walk on the 8-bit side to pick up I can't read that. It's gonna take. Happy birthday! Animal Jam is turning 8 years old. To celebrate a giant birthday party or business, party with your buddies and a giant birthday cake, and pick up a statue of Jam's many heroes. As an admin bonus, you can read code AGBDay8. Ooh, let's redeem that right now. So AJBDay8. What do we get? 8th birthday cake. Sweet. So let's set this on top of the book because we love this way more than book. Okay, and no, we want to go in my yard. So AJ birthday parties right now. Usually maps that. Let's see. Oh, I'm melting. Yeah, it's a good thing I just spent all my diamonds on a sword. Yeah. There's a statue. Sweet. Can't you just host this party? Let me turn on the sound so I can hear the song. Look at this Greedly Charm amulet. Oh my god, I need that. That is awesome. I want that, but I feel like it would ruin my main look. I love Greedly. Okay, this is just bugging me. There we go. Graham, and there's Liza. Yeah, I'm gonna get some coins, and I'll keep doing this later. Oh! Just sleep. Okay, so since it says invite your buddies, come to me. Come to me. There we go. Okay, so let's get an animal I think we can use. Let's use my R2 box thing. Come on. Just want this. I love this. I need this great glitch on. Why is... I think she went to my down. No, she's right for that, and then use this, and then that, and then... I'm Greedly! Whatever. She's black. Sweet. Oh, we can roll on a giant piece. Look at this. Smash up buddy shocking one. Wait, let's see. Rare, shot. on? No. He's gotta be doing something. Oh, today. He was already on today, so. That's my regular look. Okay, let's continue reading. So I saw this, Summer Carnival Sale. Let's go over to the Summer Carnival. And everyone's here. Even Yellow Jam is here. Dang. Everything's on sale. Everything must go. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go on a different account. Let's just use this. Let's see. Star Hat. Pizza. Oh, that's nasty. I want some bread. Can you stop it with the ads? Okay, I want not this camera, but let's play some games. Okay, first of all, I need... Yeah! The Phantom. Get away from this. Giant, no! It's getting away. No! What are you gonna eat? Are you gonna eat air? Got some free tickets. Darn it. I'm super bad. Whoa! I got that one. Darn it, I thought that was gonna work. No. Let's play some of this. And go. Oh, so I'm not to, oh, that's... Yeah, you didn't say hello. Mine. Get out of here. No, I could have gotten that golden thing. Okay, let's get a Phantom. Yeah, I need some cotton candy. No. This thing is huge. Whoa. Haha, I can go right through you. Can't see me. Okay, and for the last game, we'll play this. Ouch. Let's see what else. This is mine. There we go. So that's for the Summer Carnival update. Let's go check this out. Come on, go on. Let's see, it's in the dens. Pixel Pal. Dang, it's only $5. This could be like a new art den for me, since I have a lot of art dens. Let's buy this. Yeah, this is mine. Sold to the men in green. Okay, let's switch to this new den. Sweet. First of all, I need to change that music. Let's turn up the sound because I can barely hear anything. I need it. Down, da, down, down, da, down. I won this, so I'm just gonna set that right there. That's the shard cache. Okay, I'll do this later. All we need is a welcome mat. Let's change these colors up. No. Let's try the patterns. There we go. So, is there any other stuff in the update? I really think this code. Ooh. Keep your eyes open for the Pixel Den items. Let's see. Is it just in the shop? Yeah, it's just in the shop. Okay, I need more coins. I'll get some coins later. Whoa, Hedges lady. Bye-bye, Hedges person. I need more diamonds. I only got 8 diamonds, so let's see. Is there any other stuff that... I don't want an egg. I already got this done. Help this guy out. Redeem the cove in the news. So, since I have that member glitch, I don't even get free chat. Redeem the cove in the news. So is there any other stuff? Big changes, not just leaves out all around. What is this? Yeah, I'll see that later. Big changes. Let's go over there. Donate some to a tiger because I know those are really endangered.